Well, happy Monday, everyone. My name is Leandra, and I'll be leading us this morning in our meditation. So I'd like for you to settle into your space. As many of you already know, we are gathering at the land celebration here in Gore, Virginia. This beautiful, this sacred space. And for those of you who have not been here or are not here, I could invite you into that place. So first we'll settle into our seat. Connect our feet to the floor, through the floor to the earth, and deep into the core, finding your special place, anchoring yourself. And then bring your focus back to your sits bones. And imagine, if you will, sitting in a room with a fireplace, crystal bowls, drums, and rattles. Notice the sunbeams coming in through the windows. And envision your place in this room, in the circle. Now drawing your focus to your soul seed, your heart, your center of being, your essence. Breathe into that space. Feel the fullness and the richness of that. And just as you would be fanning a fire, see the blaze grow. Feed it. Feel this flame, this warmth everywhere in your body, your hair, to your fingernails, to the tips of your toes. Then bring your focus back to the center of your heart. And you may find that placing your right hand on your heart, then your left hand over your right hand, will help you anchor into that space, that feeling. See the golden thread. And then going around in your mind in a circle, send that golden thread to the person beside you. Just imagine it. They don't have to have a name or a face. Just intend to send it clockwise. And then to the next person. And to the next person on their left. Just continue around the circle until you feel that thread come back to your heart. Connecting us, weaving us together. And once you feel that golden thread back in your heart, Imagine it coming to the center of the room as if it were a spoke. Now imagine that wheel turning, spinning, weaving, spiraling, moving upward. And then bring that spiral back down to this space, to this room. Now bring your focus back to your feet. And I would invite you to imagine that you're standing now. We're all walking out these glass doors out into the sunshine, connecting with the land, the soil at Land Celebration. You continue to walk or journey across the field to a sandy space where there's a labyrinth and a body of water. Maybe you drink in the sights and the sounds, the smells, the gentle breeze with the leaves rustling, birds singing. Notice the smell of the earth as you inhale deeply. Maybe imagine the sand between your toes. And we thank this space for the beauty it brings and to those who tend to these spaces. Maybe we walk down the path a little further. We cross a bridge, just a little footbridge with the Buddha Brook underneath, water flowing, you hear the trickle. And then maybe you imagine the soft moss under your feet, like carpet. Continue down this path till we see a statue of Mary. And all around Mary are beautiful ferns. Feel the love and the grace. And we'll continue along the path. We walk uphill, out of the woods and into the bright sun. And we're walking along another body of water. Swimming pond. See the ice crystals frozen on top. Continue to walk along the path around the pond. Coming to a field. We'll circle back to the place in which we started, right in front of the glass doors. Feel the peace, feel the calmness, and the centering that's offered. As you breathe this in, maybe you envision us standing on this ground, connecting now with our hands in a circle. Now anchor this into your body, this experience, the sensation, the smells. And anchor this so deeply into your body, it comes through your feet, and we're connecting once again to the core of the earth, so that this may radiate above and beyond this parcel of land, rippling out into the neighboring counties, to the state, to the neighboring states, all across this continent. Feel it grow and expand even further, covering the globe. Acknowledging peace on earth, the possibilities through unconditional love. As we circle back, coming fully into our body, into our heart space. Becoming fully present and aware of your sits bones, of your feet, of your hands. Allow this vibration to settle and be in your body, fully present. Breathing deeply, begin to add movement. Become aware of your body, your toes, your feet, your ankles, knees and hands, arms and shoulders. Maybe turn the corners of your mouth upward. Open your eyes and see the lights all around you, each being present. Namaste.